Okay, so last night I wanted to do a little experiment because I have a female now for my little male Kash. She's not hand tame. She's not a pet like Kash is. But anyway, so I wanted to make a little experiment, and what I got, I don't have a nesting box, so because I'm not thinking about letting them start breeding. But they bonded, and I see that he has interest of mating with her, but she's not really up to it. So my guess is that she is a little younger than I was told. So as an experiment, I have placed this cardboard box in the cage to see her reaction, to see if she was going to try to gather up materials and bring it in there. But so far, Kash, the male, is the only one. He's been using this toy over here. Let me see if I can get it from inside. He's been using this toy over here. So he's been picking that with his beak. And because he's a male, remember, males, they can't tuck any nest materials into, in the back of their wings. So let's see what is going in there. Okay. So he has been bringing things in there, little by little. Oh, I see a little bit of yeah. So that's all him. The little shredding things that you see. And then the millet stand. Yeah. So he's the one that is bringing stuff inside. And she's not. So that tells me that she is really, really young. Well, not really, really, but she's young. So, I don't know. I am guessing that she's about maybe 9 months old. So I will be removing this experimental box out of there because he's ready to be her dad, but she is not mature enough to be a mommy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and support yours truly. Thank you so much, okay? Bye.